Hey guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and safe. Let us do the MTP series of May 2021 and let us start with our first problem. Okay, let's see with the function thing. If f of x is equals to x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2, then f of 2 is, herein if we see, in place of f of 2, in place of x we are taking 2, so 2 square minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2, it will be right away 0. But no, the answer is not this actually should not be the correct one, because it should be given that f of x is equals to this thing. It should have been given that limit x tends to 2, okay, and x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. So here on how we expand it from here, f of x, how will we expand it from here? It should be like x square minus 2 square is 4 divided by x minus 2. Herein this can be written as a square minus b square, right? So a minus x minus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. A plus b into a minus b. This form we are replacing, we are using this formula and we are expanding this. X minus 2 gets cancelled. What is left is x plus 2. Now you can substituting f of x as 2. We get the answer x plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 is the answer. Okay, now let's go on for the finding the sum to n terms of the series 7 plus 7, 77 plus 77, 7, and so on till n terms. Okay, here in this problem is very important. In fact, if in every now and then paper you'll be seeing this problem, so don't panic. I'll tell you the shortcut of this problem. Whenever you get this problem, always remember take n as 2. Okay, just assuming, and then take this, add the 77 plus 7. Okay, you get 84, right? Now what you do, substitute this n in these problems and see if you get the answer as 84. Once you get the answer as 84, that itself is your answer. So this is the shortcut way which I am going to say you. Once you get the answer, I'll even explain you in a long long way which actually it should have been solved. Okay, let's see. 7 by 9 into 10 to the power of n plus 1, n ki jagah 2 hai, so it will be 10 to the power of 3 minus 10 minus 7 into 2 divided by 9. Okay, so let's see where we are getting 84, and let's stop there. By 9, 10 cube minus 10, it's not even 1000 minus 10, right? 990. Okay, minus 14 divided by 9. Okay, next one we'll try and see if we are getting 84 here. Okay, 7 divided by 9 and all. I have just simplified this. Are we getting some odd answer and odd figures in the points we are getting? Okay, next thing, let's see. 7 divided by 81 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 3 is 1000. Minus 10 minus 7 into 2 is 14 divided by 9. Okay, now let's see if we can break down this. So 7 divided by 81 into 990 minus 14 divided by 9, which is nothing but, okay, we are just getting off 770 by 9 divided by minus 14 by 9, which is equals to, yeah, we got it, minus 14 divided by 9, 84. Okay, so 84, did we get the answer? What we were predicting? Yes, it is. So answer C is the right one. Okay, see, this problem I'll be doing in a long method, but in exam, if you seem to be following this answer, like 5 plus 5, 55 plus 5, 5 plus so on to n terms, then you need to apply this shortcut method to arrive quickly to the answer from the given options. But in case you want to really learn how it is actually done. For some people, how you will actually get it. For them, I'm doing this problem. In exam, you don't need to do all these long things because you need to save the time, but then for explanation purpose, I'm putting up this here. Okay, 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus so on till n terms. You have to find out the sum. Okay, sum of this series. The simplest way is, herein we know that 7 is common among all, so we will be taking out 7, so it will be left with 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus so on till n terms. Okay, now what we need to do, multiply and divide by 9. We'll be knowing that why we are actually dividing by 9 is, to the nearest of the 10. To get that, to get close to the 10, we are doing it by 9. We cannot do it by other number. Okay, it will be really very big procedure. If we do by other, you will not get with other number. You will be taking 9. Okay, so we are dividing and multiplying by 9. So we are dividing by 9 and multiplying with 9. Okay, so it will be 9. 9 into 1 is 9, 9 into 11 is 99, plus 9 into 111 is 999, and so on. Okay, n terms. Okay, this same 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, right? And this 9900 minus 1. Okay, and this 999,000 minus 1, right? So we'll be converting that to this thing. 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1, right? And so on till n terms. Now the thing is that we will be checking out 7 by 9 into 10 minus 1 plus 100 can be written as 10 square minus 1, right? And 1000 can be written as 10 cube minus 1, and so on. Now what we will be doing, we'll be dividing this and this once. 7 by 9 into 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus so on, one series. Okay, minus, okay, minus is the common among all, so when we take out the minus common out, all the inside terms will become plus. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on till n terms. Okay, now we know that the formula, okay, common ratio, we'll find out the common ratio first. We are near to the answer now. The common ratio in between all these three things is that 10 squared by 10 is nothing but 10. Okay, you can check with other terms too. Okay, now what is the formula for this thing, this sum of the series formula? A into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, right? What is A? A is r 10, r is common ratio, right? This is in geometric progression. So because the ratio, common ratio is to be seen, there's some link between the common ratios, right? Not the common differences. Okay, so 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula that will be applying here. So right away Sn was, don't forget that 7 by 9 is there with you. 7 divided by 9 into, we are taking as it is. This series formula is this, so we are taking as it is. 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 9. Okay, 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, this series is already there, minus this 1 plus 1 plus so on till n terms is nothing but n, right? Okay, now what we are doing, we are just expanding it. How will it be? 7 into 10 to the power of, bases are same, power get here 10 into, okay fine, 10 into 10 to the power n minus 10. We are expanding the bracket. Okay, divided by 9 into 9 is 81 minus 7 by 9, 7 into n, 7 and divided by 9. So what we are doing, we are just simplifying the last term. 7 by 81 into, bases are same, power gets added. 10 to the power n plus 1. 1 plus n or n plus 1, either way it's same. Minus 10 minus 7n divided by 9. So we get the same answer, right? Okay, we got 7 divided by this was the C bit, right? Instead of doing all these things in exam, when you get these series problems, try out this method in 1 minute. Within 1 minute you will get your answer. Okay, so this was the long way which you actually can do. If it's asked, this method was okay if you were getting 4-5 marks for this thing and you were doing this problem. Otherwise, if you just have a 1 or 2 marks thing, you need to just go by the shortcut method. Now let's see the 33rd problem. If the sum of n terms of an AP arithmetic progression is 3 into like n square minus n, and its common difference is 6. So already we are given with RD as 6, and we have to find out the third terms. Okay, how will we find out the third term? This is Sn. Okay, we know that S1 will be our term 1, right? Okay, whatever we are putting up in place of n, the first one will be S1 will be our term 1, right? So what is Sn? In place of this thing, Sn will be taking 1 here. So 3 into 1 square minus 1. What it is? 3 into 1 square, it's nothing but 3 minus 1, it is 2. Okay, so herein we can say that our first term A, okay, actually T1 is A, yeah? A is 2, alright. So now we can easily get up the series. We know the first term, we know the difference, common difference. So first term is 2, next term will be 6, 2 plus 6, 8. Another term will be, again, common difference is 6, right? So 8 plus 6 is 14, and so on. So it was asking term 2, term 3. So answer is 14. Okay. 34th problem, insert 4 AMs between 3 and 18. AMs is an arithmetic mean between this 3 and 18. So we need to be inserting 4 AMs. Matlab 3 dash 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 and 18. There are 4 numbers, so that we need to see. Seeing this thing, you can make out that there's a progression, like there is an increment. Okay, so we will be searching our answer in this. Okay, 12 and 5 and 9 and 6. No, this is an irregular one, so it's like an incremental change. So this cannot be the option. Let's move out to the next option. 6, 9, 12 and 15. Yeah, this can be one option because there is a progress. Okay, now let's take another one. 6, 9, 6, 12, 15. No, it cannot be, because see, it's going in a in an incremental ascending order. 15, 12 and this cannot be the option. It's very simple that this is the option. If we take, see, imagine like if we take the answer 6, 9, 12 and 15. 6, 9, 12 and 15. Here you see, now you can make out the difference is 3. The difference, the mean difference here is 3. Okay, so every increment of 3 you are getting this answer. This is very simple, rather if you go by checking the answers options. Sigma n square defines. What is sigma n square? We've already the sum of the naturals of the square. It is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Simply this is the answer. Next, if A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B 22, 4 and C this thing, then what is A minus C into B? Okay, first what is A minus C will calculate. What is A minus C? From A you are removing C terms. Okay, C terms 1, 3, 5. Okay, so it will be like from A you are removing C terms. 1 is common in both, 3 is common in both, and 5 is common in. What is left over? It is 2 and 4. Okay, this is A minus C you already got. Now this A minus C into B is what? 2, 4 into what is B? 2, 4. Now you're multiplying the thing. So what can be there in a set? 2 into 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. Okay, 4, 2, 4 into 2, like, right? 4, 4. Easy. So let's check in which option is there. 2 comma 2, 4 comma 2. No, 5 shouldn't be there. 2 2 2, yeah, D is the option. Okay, now let's go with integration and differentiation. F of x is equals to x to the power k, and f dash 1 is z 10. Then find the value of k. See, f of x is given right away as x to the power k. So k we don't know, that is an unknown. So now f dash is nothing but a differentiation. Okay, f dash of 1 is equal to 10, which means that what is f dash? Okay, what when we are taking out the differentiation, f dash will be k into x, right, which is equals to 10. Okay, we already know that the function has, this function has 1, we are taking it as 1, so k into 1 is equals to 10. Directly k is 10. Answer is A. Okay, now given that x equal to 2t plus 5 and y, so then you need to calculate dy by dx. We need to get the value of it. So first we'll take the x term. What is actually x apna? 2t plus 5, right? So herein, if you are differentiating the thing, the constant gets eliminated, and herein the t gets eliminated. The power, the t gets eliminated. We have the formula which reduces the power. Well, in that case, x is equals to what it is left over with. This is 0 and this is 2. Okay. Now herein y. Let's see for the y. Y, it is, the constant already gets eliminated, and this 2t square will become 2t, right? This 2 will get in front, and t will have only one power. One power get reduces whenever we do the differentiation. Okay, we are left with this. Answer is 2t, right? Now it's very simple. It's asking dy, sorry, this is dx and this is dy. Okay, dy by dx is equals to, dy is 2t and dx is 2. Answer is t. Very simple. See, these integration and differentiation problem, you'd always try basic problems, and don't people will say, many of the teachers will say that you just leave this thing, it's not worth your marks and all. I understand, I totally agree that this chapter reading, it's very vast, it's totally vast thing, and you cannot mug up this chapter, but the basic things, the mock test paper, the repeated questions, you always try, because it's the easiest one once you get the knack of it. Okay, evaluate the integration of 2x plus 1 divided by x into x plus 1 of dx. Okay, in these problems, when you have the log, when you are taking integration in log for this thing, it's very simple. It's a short, remember as it is, just take the denominator and add in constant to it. Okay, that will be our answer. X into x square plus x into 1 is x plus c. Add a log. Okay, so this shall be our answer. Log x square plus x plus c. Whenever I'll be, whenever I'll go deep into the this integration and differentiation, I'll surely explain all the methods regarding it. But to save your time, to be very quick enough, it's kind of a short trick that you can apply. Okay, so which option is this thing? Is this B, option B? Okay, the right answer. Okay, evaluate the integration 0 to 2 of x to the power of 5 dx. So integration is there, means upgradation. Okay, so what we will be doing is that 5 will get off x to the powers, it gets to x to the power 6 divided by 6. Okay, this is the formula for integration. You need to brush up the formula and then apply, and then go for the exams. And it has the function has this thing 0 to 2. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to upper limit we need to put in, and the lower limit we need to add it. Okay, so what in place of x we are getting a 2 to the power 6 divided by 6 plus x to the power 0 to the power 6 divided by 6. Okay, first we are applying 2 and then we are adding with the lower limit of it. Upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 0. So 2 to the power 6 divided by 6, what will be answer? 64 divided by 6 plus 0. 64 divided by 6, 32 divided by 3. Okay, answer is A. Okay, probably from 41st question till next 20 questions we'll be having logical reasoning and all. These are the LR things. I'll be surely continuing these things in next class. I think already we have completed a long session through.
If you really like this MTP series, do like my channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.